Well, hello everyone. I'm going to make a small cold start video on the John Deere 318, and I'm gonna have a little bit of an update for you too after I get it out. So, just gonna put the camera down. Hopefully, I don't run it over, because I don't think I would notice. So, it has been started for about a week. So, pretty close to a week. So here we go. Throttle. Definitely give it some choke. Here we go. That was a pretty good start. You can definitely trust your 318. I'm just gonna let it run and warm up because I don't want to shut it right off. So this here is my cart that I was telling you about. Not being able to find it because it was back in there, but we finally got it out the other day, and I took my weed whacker and my leaf blower to get serviced. And they just called today and they're done, so I have to go pick those up at some point. I think I need to put new gas in that thing because it's not running as good as it should. But now this is for my Honda push mower. This one back here, and it's just a mulch plug. That's nothing special, anyways. But this right here goes underneath of the mower. It's the deflector shield to keep the self-propel protected, I guess you can say. And I'm not going to be able to show you, but it does go under here. So, anyways, I think I'm going to have to get a new pulley for that because it's pretty worn out. And, I'm just going to show you quickly something here with my cart. You can actually hook this up to your tractor if you wanted to. So I'm going to put it down here on the ground. And what you do is you take this pin here and you pull it out like that. And you take the pin out that's down here a little bit more. And you flip that around and then you put the pin back in, obviously. Pin back in, and then I'm going to take it over to the tractor now. I've actually never hooked this thing up before, so it's going to be interesting to see if it actually fits, or if it's going to look stupid. Alright, my camera just did something weird, so we're at the back of the 318 if you can't hear me. Kind of a cool little feature to be able to hook that up like that. And of course this camera doesn't zoom out worth crap, so you can't see anything. It looks kind of cool. And I want to modify this cart and make it a little bit wider so that my push mower will fit inside of it. And then try and somehow make some sort of a trimmer rack, just you know, just make some kind of a trimmer rack in order to put the my trimmer on it, so I don't have to sit in the car and just put the leaf blower inside. So here soon, we're gonna have to do that. Yeah, this wheel here is a problem. I don't know what's with it. It's always crooked. And I can't fix it. But anyways, It looks kind of funny on that thing. It's really small. And I have a side thing up on that cart, so it's even worse. But there's really not too many more updates. I guess we can give the Honda here a quick start. To just let it run. So turn the fuel on, put it on choke, what do you want to call that. Battery's still dead. I actually mowed this the other day, so. Oh. But whenever, oh, now it's gonna catch, of course. This thing's weird sometimes. I don't understand it. When I get my trimmer and everything back, I'm gonna make a video of them, and I'm probably gonna be going out to work on this Saturday to mow the place, so I might try to take some video there. So my battery's gonna go dead, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.